this air unit here is in the room. It's a good comfortable. You need to do about it. Do it sweet. Campus. These are all the buildings that we have under control. When it goes out, when it gets the moisture out, it puts it into this thing. I'm not sure why. Move this air unit. When they move the air unit, they move the pipe. We don't have any points. We have a communication with a long-term. They forgot to arrange to have the outside door open. They had some, all you saw the
MET, but one of my first first classes, that first semester, got introduced to a brand new
whichever five was, you can stick. Alright, you're in an industrial area, be here.
45 seconds.
The sensors are right in the cone there. ABM provided all the mechanical equipment. Yeah. And you can see the going up, feeding the outdoor air, and there's a return air damper above, and then there's an exhaust damper up above there. So the fire alarm system is
This can kink, yeah, a little bit more than just the PEX too. But you typically would have your head is balancing, and this has a kind of a visual flow gauge on it. Spray on your fan, they'll knock it out of balance. So you need to make sure they get a couple different stages of.
I think it's great that. You want that, what do they call it? Yeah, you guys, but you're in your world, they actually want it at a certain degree. 400 degrees, just below 400 degrees when it hits here. Does anybody want 400 degrees blown into their airplane? No. No, I don't know. It's been cooled once, but when we compress it, what's going to happen to it?
Somebody laying right here, and then you got, see down here, there's joysticks.
Yeah.
And then you got foot pedal. I don't know if those are foot pedals or just foot rests, but yeah, there's a boom out here, and that can go around, and there's receptacles on.
Yeah. What do you think, Professor Crosby?
They upgraded to a fly-by-wire type thing, or is that too hard to do?
Dude, look at this. KC135. Yeah, this is pretty.
It's 54-year-old.
I should move the yoke, I would
Yeah, you
think.
can put your hands on it as long as I wouldn't hit any of the buttons or anything, but
Oh, this might be.
Yeah. I could get used to this.
yeah, it's pretty cool.
Whoever flies it is much taller than I am. Can't reach
The old
that.
navigator. So
There you go. You got a video now, Herb.
That's for boom operator.
Go ahead.
They've got
Yes,
coffee
we're going to be
back,
landing in
you can see.
Bangor very soon. Hope you've had a good trip.
They're all run through, you know, I mean, this is.
Oh, wait, oh, you're recording this. Oh,
I
man.
am.
That's great.
So what are they going to sign up?
Letters.
Great.
Makes it fun.